If you have any tutorial requests, just like and comment it down, and I'll get to it. Get your finished edit and go over to duplicate. After you duplicate it, scroll all the way to the right and select reverse. When that's done, go over to speed and set it to 10. The speed adjustment depends on how long the edit is or when the next part of the song will play, so keep that in mind. Go to Effects, then scroll over to Motion and select Wide Angle, or you can just type it in. Adjust as needed. Set intensity to 100. Duplicate it, then go back to Effects and look for Chrome Blur. Set blur to 100, leave the other setting unless you want to use it. In this part, you don't have to add a filter if you don't want to, but it honestly depends on how you want it to look. Turn the brightness down some if you want it to be darker with the filter. God, I wish I can use my own voice. Doing this AI voice is tiring. At the beginning of the clip, you can add and dissolve and set it to 0.2. Then you can also add it at the end. And that's basically it. All you have to do now, if you're ready, export it at 4K and 30 frames per second and you're set. There's also an Alight Motion way that I mainly use, but honestly Alight Motion been buggy lately, so I didn't even care to try. If y'all want that though, I don't mind doing it. Like I said earlier, if you have any editing tutorial requests, just like and comment it down to let me know, and subscribe if you're looking forward to new tutorials. If you need a reference, just go to my channel that I post my edits on. Link in the description and tell me based on that. Thanks for watching.